Still a mild summer here in West Texas by any measure. But been a warm day in comparison to the other days we've had, so I'm gonna bet that the fish are deep. Almost didn't feel like one. Maybe if he'll behave. I'm not gonna mess my depth marker up, even though it wouldn't be a huge loss if they're just his size. There's a little something, literally. Ooh, he's got a bad sore on his. Here again, if I was to catch one, it's gonna be an uphill battle. God dang, look at that. Halfway decent one too. Well, maybe we found him. Be darned. It's a halfway decent one too. So, I guess odds are they're hiding under this boat here. Not all of them, but some of them. Yeah, not a decent one. A tiny little dude. But we'll be thankful for him. We'll send him back home. I mean, the biting is... Oh, look at that. That one might be decent, boys. He got me stuck. Here, there we go. Keep in mind. Oh my goodness, I'm probably gonna lose him. There we go. I didn't lose him. It's close though. Real close. Keep in mind, anytime you have that situation occur, that's gonna be a decent fish. First decent one I've had in a while. That's a hefty one. Anytime you have them wrap you around something like that, if you'll give them some slack, a lot of times they'll unwrap themselves. Just what that guy did for me. Still not, I don't think, a 10-incher, but he's thick, real heavy. I don't know if y'all can see that. He's heavy. Not bad, kids. Little bit of a takedown, but not enough to even think anything about. Now that might be a better takedown right there. Got one of them. Don't want to mess with that, dudes. Yeah. All right. Still small, but getting better. See what I mean? We got him. And there's not a whole lot of... Good grief, man. Not a whole lot of takedown you have to do on these things. There's some. Wow, look at that one. Another one with a little bit of weight. Got him right through that upper jaw though. He wasn't going anywhere. Chunky. Another short, chunky one. Yeah, he's too small, but tell you what, he's hefty. See, we got one. I knew that would not take long either. That's a decent one too. Look at this one. Another decent one. Another decent one. They're just stacked under this boat, under this little old boat. Well, actually the boat's pretty big. What's this? Oh. There we go. Had my own line tangled up in my hand. He's gonna try his best to flop off. It's another one that's not long but heavy. All right. Finally. Wow, look at that. Halfway decent one, right? Halfway, maybe, sorta, kinda. Sorta, kinda, still a little one. These have some girth to them. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they've got some girth. It's odd. See what I mean? None of them are big, but they've all got that gut on them. It's weird. That's a better one. I don't know. Well, yeah, it's not a bad one. He took some drag. I don't know if y'all could hear it. He took a little drag. There we go. Little one. Yeah, thanks, man. They're all small tonight. I mean, I want y'all to look at the sunset, man. To run out right here. See what I mean? That's a decent one. Yeah, I'll say that. Really wasn't a decent one. I guess it wasn't terrible. Yeah, look at that. Right at sunset too. I like that. I like that. Man. Y'all see that? If I do that, will it help? It's one heck of a workhorse jig for today. Same thing. Small in length, but girthy. So using a baitcaster too. Y'all see this? Old baitcaster I've got. If we come up short, since it's getting dark, we'll just head on out to the dock. We got one. We got one. We got one. We got one. Sorry, guys. Got a pretty decent one, maybe. Oh, it's a little dude. But that, oh my gosh, it's a crappie. Wow. Crappie on a crank. Well, okay then. I'm gonna take a quick pic. I literally cannot stay away from crappie. I'm out here trying to bass fish, and it just doesn't even matter. Tell you what. There we go. Let's look at him. That's funny. Short, fat little dude. Cheers.